What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Too Slow Kurt, and today what we're gonna be doing, as you see from the title and the thumbnail, man, there is a new shop opening over there in Arlington, Texas, and they want to sponsor me. They want to get me to come out today. What they're gonna be doing today is they're gonna be detailing the car inside out. As you can see, it just got done raining yesterday. It is not raining today, so we're gonna be getting the car detailed inside out. Let me show you boys what the inside is currently looking like. Got all the car keys, man, but let me show you guys what the inside is currently looking like. She is a little dirty right now. Yep, the rain then got in a little bit. She's overall pretty clean, but we gonna get her smelling like she just left the dealership. Y'all know, something spilled in my car the other day. My Stingray logo right there, kind of dirty, man. But she gonna be getting right today. Got my reindeer ears on here. Oh, I wonder if they gonna be doing a detail on the engine bay. That's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna ask them if they can detail the engine bay. If they don't, then, you know, oh well. But, look. She's dirty, man. She's dirty. She crying out for me. She looking pretty clean, though. Like, overall, like I said, she's pretty clean. This car has never been detailed. Like, I mean, I cleaned it up myself and stuff, but it's never been, like, professionally detailed. So, you know, they go get all into the nicks and crannies of the car. Yes, sir. But I got to go get some Starbucks, man. Your boy is thirsty. So, we're going to go get something to drink, and then we're going to go straight to the shop all the way in Arlington. See you boys in a minute. I can't forget to give you boys a cold start, man. Come on. Sir, you know we can't forget the cold start. Bro, she's so loud, bro. Like, whenever I just turn the car on, if I leave the house door open and you just hear her going and going and going, like, she's so loud, bro. She sounds so good, though. I love her. But yeah, let's go get this drink, man. All right, boys, so we done made it to the shop, man. See, we got Rico right here. He lined up. I'm lined up, you hear me? Yes, sir. Yeah, he got a haircut, don't know how to act, bro.
Hey, what time is it? What time
I
is it?
don't know, man. Got my boy in the cut right here, man. Hey, what's up, boy?
What's up, my boy?
Yes, sir. But they in the shop right now, man. They working, they doing details, man. Oh damn, bro! Yeah, you gotta take that off, bro. I think you need to put one that say "Too Slow Kurt."
Wait, what? What's the Instagram say in the bottom?
Say,
I don't know how to read.
you don't know how to read? Why you don't know how to read? All right, man. So we getting the detail done right now, and we're gonna get right, man. Come on with it. She looking nice though. She looking real mean. I can't believe the tow people that did my fucking tow hook like that, bro. I still can't get over that shit, bro. They did me bad on the tow hook. Whenever I just did my tow hook freshly done, they scratched it up, bro. Tow people, because they towed my shit. And they used the front tow hook, and they used the back tow hook, and now both tow hooks are kind of scratched up. After I freshly painted them, they got scratched up. All right, guys, so look at the inside of this Camaro. What happened? It's really mint, man. This is how I want my Camaro to be looking. We got the leather seats on in here, leather interior. That's how I need mine, bro. So I'm gonna be swapping my Camaro seats pretty soon. I'm gonna be getting leather seats. You know, basically the interior. I want this interior because at the time when I was building my Camaro, he has that center console right there. As you guys see, right here, the camera, the reverse camera and shit. That's the camera that I wanted on my car. So basically, I'm gonna end up swapping this whole interior on my Camaro. So, but I want red seats though, red seats and probably some red seat belts too. I need to put some red seat belts on the Vet as well. All that shit coming soon. Like I said, we got hella money that we about to put into this Vet. I just finally got it back, so yeah, we're gonna go from there. But they in the middle of washing the car and she's looking real good, bro. She's looking real good. All right, boys. So he got the outside looking real mint. He doing the inside right now currently. Show y'all boys. Let me show y'all boys. So everything's clean on the outside. Got the inside right here. I took everything out this mud, bro. Everything I took out, and you know I'm gonna let them do the rest of the work, bro. All right, boys. So as you can see, man, they got your boy right, man. Let me show y'all the inside of the car real quick. Show y'all boys the inside real quick. Damn, she's looking mint, man. Yes, sir. She looking so good. She smell good. She smell like she just left the dealership, boys. Oh, for real. Hey, Trey, let me hear that out. Nah, you good? I seen it. Yeah, man. Shout out the boy Trey, man. All right, boys. So, shout out to No Limit Car Care, man. They gonna get your boy right every time, man. So, do appreciate them taking care of me, man. Other than that, man, if y'all boys want some detailed work, man, come to No Limit Care, man. They gonna get you right every time, man. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. All that good stuff, man. I see y'all boys in the next video. It's your boy, Too Slow Kurt, and I'm out.